So this is a vid about Google Trends. A lot of people think it's not around, but it's still around. So say you were on X or something, which I'm on, and there's people posting stuff, but you maybe not know what's relevant, what's trending. Well, you can head over to Google Trends, and then just you could even go into see what's trending now. Obviously, there's a lot of things that are trending here, and then you can click on one of them. Just you'll I know the top two relates to death, so it's not be appropriate of clicking on that. But if we test score recalling a product, so click on that, and then you get quite good data. Probably it wasn't announced until today, but it's in the last 16 hours. It's quite a lot of data on it. It was as high as like 12 hours ago, but up until now it's not as much. So you could look at that and think at this point in time I could do an X post on that, and that's something over even less than a day that it's 20,000 people or more are searching for that, so it's up 1,000%. So having something like that, and then on the UK news, it's the NHS health plan. Well, a lot of interest in that as well. So you can get searches that are trending right now. Some of them in death, which is quite sad, but the top two. And then if you scroll through the pages, not as much search volume, but you can search on it and read a bit about it and do a bit of research, and then not so Tour de France, not so much on that. But if you click on that, you see that it was higher about 16 hours ago, but not so much now. But then you might be in a business or something, and then even in this, it's giving you a lot of search queries that people are searching for, and topics that they're searching for as well. But you might type in affiliate marketing. Do that just now. So it is up until last year. There was a couple of searches on it, but now it's kind of non-existent. It's there's not a lot of people searching for that, to be honest. But then you might type in something else. We can get rid of that. Remove. Yep. So a guy in digital marketing space, quite relatively well known, Neil Patel. We'll type that in. So even with that, there isn't a lot of search data in it, but we could even search for something else. I'll just type in AI and see what comes up with that. So we'll just go into the data for that. You can even download it from there as well, and it gives you the topics relating to it, what sort of topics people are seeking, and what queries as well. So you can search for your own things that that you want to maybe get traffic for. So that's the two options: trending now and you can also search via past 24 hours or the past 4 hours even. And here's some stuff that you could post from using Google Trends. So that's what it's used for. It can give you great content ideas. So if you want more tricks like this and more methods, then join our free bootcamp or free community. The link's there. It's something special, and we hope to see you there.